class, welcome back for math. Let's get started with some subitizing. When you see the number, when you've counted it, put it up on your fingers and we'll shout it out together. I should see the number on your fingers. All right, how many do you see? 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. How about this one? You should be looking like Miss Yusi. How many do you see? 3. Very good. How many do you see? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Oh, there we go. How many do you see? 1. Good. How many do you see? 0. Good. How many do you see? 6. You can either count them like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can count them by twos. 2, 4, 6. Either way, it's 6. It's very, very good, class. Let's go ahead and get started with our number writing. Go ahead and watch the Pink Fong video that is on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and write all of your numbers up from 0 to 10 or beyond if you want to keep on practicing writing numbers. Fill in all of those blanks in your notebook or on your whiteboard, please. Once you have done that, meet me for number recognition. All right, class, hello. Let's go ahead and do number recognition. When I point to the bottom of the number, shout it out loud. Here we go. Ready, go. 3, 6, 10. Good. 1. Keep it up. 2. Loud and proud. 0. 4. 9. 5. Good. 7. 12. Remember our number 12 from morning meeting? 1 and 2 together makes 12 when they are next to each other. When they're written next to each other, 1, 2 is 12. Very good. How about this next one here? 13, 17, 11, 8. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do some shapes. Please point to the diamond on your screen. Point to the diamond. Right here, exactly. Point to the triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. Point to the triangle. Very good. Point to the hexagon. Here's the hexagon. Point to the square. Very good. Point to the circle. And point to the rectangle. Where is the rectangle? Here it is. Very good. What about the oval? Here's the oval. Excellent. Now let's do 3D shapes or solid shapes. Please point to the prism. Point to the prism. And tell me, what color is the prism that you're pointing at? Yellow. Here it is. Very good. This is a prism. Point to the cone. Point to the cone. What color are you pointing at? Light blue. Very good. That's a cone. Point to the cylinder. Point to the cylinder. What color are you pointing at? Orange. Very good. Here is the orange cylinder. Point to the cube. Cube. What color is it? Dark green. Very good. This is the cube. Point to the sphere. The sphere. What color are you pointing at? Dark blue. Very good. And how about the pyramid? The pyramid. What color is that? Light green. Very good, class. Let's go to a quick practice problem. This says solve. That means find the answer. Okay, so our question is 4 plus 4. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. You can write it on your notebook. You can draw circles, draw 4 circles, and then add 4 more circles, or you can do it on your fingers if you would like, or you can count on. So let's go ahead and do it on our fingers. You can do it however way you want to, or you can do it in your head as well. All right, so we're starting with what number? 4. Here's 4 on my hand. How many are we adding or subtracting? Adding or taking away? Look at the sign. This is adding. So am I going to take fingers away? No, I'm going to add more. Very good. So I have 4, and I'm adding how many more? 4 more. So count with me as I add 4 more fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have all together now? 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. So is 8 an answer choice down here? It is. Let's double check and do the counting on method so we can double check that we did it right. So the counting on method is starting with 4, saying 4 in our head, and then counting on and adding 4 more, because that's how much it's telling us to add. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We stop right here because it told us to add 4, and I added 4, and I said what number? 8. I said 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which makes 8. Very, very good. Here is the answer. You guys are so, so smart. All right, let's get to our lesson today. We are going to practice decomposing number sentences using number bonds as well. We are nearing the end of this unit, so we're just double checking that we can really, really work with a number bond before we get into numbers above 10, okay? So let's read this sentence. It says, Benjamin had 10 bananas. Here's his bananas. How many did he have? 10. Because we knew he started out with 10, what number did they put in the hole? 10, because there's a total of 10 here. So 10 belongs in the hole. Very good. Let's see what happens next. He dropped some of the bananas. Oh no! Ben dropped some of his bananas. So look which ones look to be dropped. Do you see ones that are dropped? Yep, this one, this one, this one, and this one got dropped. Fill in the number bond. So we have to fill in the rest of the number bond to show Benjamin's bananas. So they told us a story about Benjamin's bananas. They told us he started with 10 bananas. And we know he had 10 because 10 is in the what? 10 is in the whole. 10 is the total. And now he has 2 different parts of bananas that make up his 10. He has the bananas that are okay, that were not dropped. And he has the bananas that are dropped. Dropped and not dropped are the 2 parts that make up his original 10 bananas. Okay? So we have 2 parts that we need to fill in. Who thinks they know what can go in this first part right here? Do we want to do dropped or not dropped first? I heard not dropped. So the bananas that were not dropped, look over here at our picture and count them. Count the bananas that were not dropped. How many did you count? I counted 6, exactly. So 6 goes up here. Could 6 go here? Yes, it could, but it has to go in either one of the parts. All right, so we have 6 in one part. 6 was the not dropped. What's the other part we're missing? The dropped bananas. Very good. So somebody count the dropped bananas and tell me how many there are. How many dropped bananas? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So where should we put 4? On the other part. Because our 10 bananas, right here, were made up of 2 parts. The not dropped bananas were 6, and the dropped bananas were 4. So what do you think 6 plus 4 is? 10. Very good. What do you think 10 take away 6 is? 4. What do you think 10 take away 4 is? 6. Very good. Whenever we write a number sentence, it's always going to have these 3 numbers in it. Excellent, class. Let's do another one. Let's read the sentence. Savannah has 10 pairs of glasses. How many glasses does she have? 10. So what should we do first? They gave us one clue, and we need to know what to do with that in our number bond. She has 10 pairs of glasses. That tells me that the number 10 that I'm reading might go somewhere in our number bond. Where do you think it goes? Which one? The whole or one of the parts? Which one does 10 go in? Oh, the whole. Why does it go in the whole? Because that's how many total glasses we started with, right? She has 10. That is the whole. And we're probably going to break it down into 2 parts. Let's read about it. 5 of the glasses are green. So how many glasses are green? 5. Let's go ahead and put green on 5 glasses to show that 5 of her glasses of her 10 are green. All right, so we have 5 green glasses, and the rest are purple. So the rest of them that are not green are purple. So I'm going to color the rest of them purple. Did it tell us how many were purple? No, it just said the rest. So we're going to have to count those on our own. So now we know 5 are green and the rest are purple. Does somebody know how many were purple? Just by looking at it. If 5 were green and we had 10, how many are purple? 5, because 5 green and 5 purple together makes 10. Very good. So we have our total of 10 up in our whole. What are our 2 parts? What 2 colors go in each? Our 2 parts are green glasses and purple glasses. And when we come together, they have a total of 10 glasses, but there's parts, and the parts are green and the parts are purple. So how many are green? We need to figure out this part first. How many are green? It told us in the question. 5 are green, right? So I'm going to put 5 in one of the parts because part of the glasses are green and 5 of them are green. Now we need to find the other part. If we already did the green, what's the other part? The purple glasses. The green glasses are one part and the purple glasses are another part. So now we need to find for this part how many glasses are purple. Look at our picture and see how many glasses are purple. I think it's 5. You could count it or you can do subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put 5 there too. So we know that 5 are green, 5 are purple, and together how many glasses are there? 10. We started with 10 glasses, 5 are green, 5 are purple. Very, very good. When all the green glasses and all the purple glasses come to the party together, there's how many? 10. Excellent, class. Let's do one more example, and then you will have time to do one on your own. All right. Xavier, like our friend, Xavier had 10 baseballs. Here they are. Here's Xavier. Here's all of his baseballs. Some were white, and the rest were gray. So some baseballs were white. Here's a couple that are white, and the rest were gray. Did they tell us how many were each? No. Draw the balls, color to show how many will be white and gray. So we already have all of them, white and gray, colored and drawn. Fill in the number bond. So how many baseballs did we start with? 10. He has 10. So does that go right here? No, that's a part. 10 is the whole. Very good. Let's count how many white baseballs there are, which is one part. 1, 2, 3. All right, so how many goes here for the white baseballs? 3. Very good. Now, if we already have the white baseballs, what has to go here? Gray baseballs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 2 parts are white baseballs, gray baseballs. Together, there's 10. Very, very good job. All right, you may now create your own story of 10. So you could do baseballs, you could do footballs, you could do glasses, you could do unicorns. Draw your own story and make a number bond to go with it. If you need to pause here, that's totally fine. Go ahead and create your own story of 10 and draw a number bond to represent it. So draw 10 of something and color some one color and some another color and draw your number bond to match, okay? After you do that, you may do Math Centers online. Do some number writing if you haven't already done that already. Use a manipulative, do that number bond practice, or do a worksheet if you have it. I will see you tomorrow for more learning class.